Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the Balance University podcast. I'm your host, Nick Stoulis. Today, we are going to be going over how you can 10x your social media marketing agency if you fix this one thing. All right, so I was able to scale my company. I was making $2,000 per month for years, and I couldn't make that jump to where I am now, which is 8 to 12K per month. I couldn't make that jump unless I decided I needed to hire people to do work for me. This is called contractor arbitrage. So essentially what you're doing, an amazing analogy that I love to use is the military. You got your Army, your Navy, your Air Force, there's the people on the ground, and there's the generals, there's the people that are calling the shots. Another great analogy is sports. You could be the head coach of the team. And the biggest problem that I didn't fix was, for the first 4 to 5 years of my company, was I tried to do every single thing myself. I tried to be in the air. I tried to be in the water. I tried to be in the trenches, when I should have just doubled down on what I do best. And what I do best is sales, closing contracts, taking meetings, and facilitating and running the show. I'm the general, you know what I'm saying? So it's I decided a huge pivotal changing point in my own marketing agency was I decided to make the decision to hire people that are way smarter than me. These computer nerds, these geeks, these A+ students are so unbelievably smarter than me at doing Google ads, Facebook ads. And I'm more than happy to hire them to help me run my company. And that's what you honestly should highly consider doing if you're not making any money yet from your digital marketing agency. This is the way to go. You gotta find people that really know what they're doing. And a great way to look at SMMA is to look at how a military is run. So you have, your Navy, your Army, your Air Force, and there's one more, the Marines, the people that are in the trenches. I would consider myself the Marine of the group. I'm, head honcho, taking on the fucking, I gotta close the deal. It's all on me. And then my foot soldiers, my people that are bringing me on business, the people that are generating leads for me, people that are giving me opportunities to take these meetings in the first place. That's my offense. That's my attack. That's my army. You know what I'm saying? And I can hit them from the air, the sea, the land, and I'm every single day I'm sending out thousands and thousands of emails to different solar companies, yacht charter companies, exotic car companies across the entire United States. And I'm able to do this on a consistent basis every single day because I found somebody who's competent at lead scraping. Now, I also need somebody that can handle the defense, somebody that can shoot down the missiles that are being shot at me, somebody that can deliver the results and make sure that we're selling solar panels on a daily basis, that we're helping our yacht charter companies have more parties, our exotic cars being rented, our roofing contractors getting more jobs. We're able to do this because I have competent media buyers that understand KPIs and pixels and analytics and a bunch of geeky ass shit that I can do myself, but because I decided to hire somebody that is a specialist, that is Navy SEAL at that specific thing, that I was able to 10x my company. I was able to go from 2 to 12K per month because of that one thing, because it allowed me to focus on just growing the business, making more sales, and then doing my client, customer relations and whatnot. And I know my team's got my back, but the best piece of advice that I can leave you with from this video, go find yourself some competent media buyers. It's called contractor arbitrage. Leverage other people's skills and sell it and give them percentages. I give percentages to so many different things, softwares, my appointment setters, my my media buyers. Like there's so many things. As the facilitator of the company who's taking on the $5,000 paycheck, and then I'm distributing it out to all of my employees to make sure the thing runs. So every month we keep getting paid. So fix that one thing. Stop trying to do everything yourself, and you'll 10x your social media marketing agency.